When it comes to safety at sea, understanding the provisions in lifeboats and life rafts is crucial. Both are designed to keep us alive in emergencies, but they serve different purposes and come with different supplies. Let's dive into the specifics of what you can expect to find in each, according to SOLAS regulations. First, let's talk about lifeboats. These are sturdy vessels meant for evacuation from a ship. SOLAS mandates that lifeboats must carry enough provisions for each person on board for at least 72 hours. This includes food and water, which is critical for survival. The food typically consists of high-energy rations, often packaged in waterproof containers to withstand the elements. You might find biscuits or energy bars that are designed to last and provide the necessary calories to keep you going. Now, water is another essential component. Lifeboats are required to have a minimum of 1.5 liters of fresh water per person per day. This is where it gets interesting. The water is usually stored in sealed containers to prevent contamination. In addition, lifeboats can be equipped with desalting apparatuses, which allow you to convert seawater into drinkable water. This is a game changer in survival situations, as it significantly extends the time you can survive at sea. On the other hand, life rafts are a bit different. They are inflatable and designed for quick deployment. The provisions in life rafts are less extensive than in lifeboats. SOLAS regulations require that life rafts carry enough supplies for at least 24 hours. This means you'll find fewer food rations and less water. The food is often in the form of emergency rations, which are compact and lightweight, but they may not provide the same level of sustenance as those in lifeboats. One key difference in rationing is the way food and water are distributed. In a lifeboat, you have a more structured approach, with enough supplies to last for several days. In a life raft, the limited provisions mean you need to be more conservative. You'll have to ration your food and water carefully, which can be a challenge when you're in a stressful situation. Understanding these differences is vital for anyone who spends time on the water. The implications of having a desalting apparatus in a lifeboat cannot be overstated. It gives you a lifeline, literally, by providing a renewable source of drinking water. In contrast, life rafts, while essential for survival, require a more strategic approach to rationing. Ultimately, knowing what's available in both lifeboats and life rafts can make a significant difference in an emergency. It's not just about having supplies, it's about understanding how to use them effectively. Whether you're on a cruise ship, a fishing boat, or sailing solo, being prepared and informed can mean the difference between life and death. So, familiarize yourself with these provisions and always prioritize safety when you're out on the open water.